My name is Billy Leong, investment strategist from Global X, and welcome to this week's Global X Express Lane, where we highlight the events this week which could grind the markets to the halt, events which investors need to be cautious with, and of course, signals which would give the market a green light to go. Now, over the past week, we saw stocks and even indices hitting all-time highs, mainly on the back of AI and tech optimism. But this was actually offset by lingering risks of whether or not US inflation has really passed through all the tariff impact. Closer to home, we also had a very uneventful week in terms of RBA holding the rate instead of commonly expected cutting the rate. This also caused the investors to digest this signal. Now for this week, what are the green lights to watch out for? What are the potential positive catalysts? We believe it's the US quarter two earnings, especially with the banks reporting this week. US earnings estimates have already been revised down, and investor market positioning is already close to neutral, and we believe this sets up a really good position for a potential market rally. Now, what events or what signals should investors be cautious for? We believe it's a potential Fed macro pivot. With numbers such as CPI and US retail data reporting this week, this could potentially derail the Fed cut trajectory. Now finally, what could grind the markets to the halt? We believe it's the ongoing tariff and trade risk imposed by the US administration. We're still seeing US trade partners receiving letters regarding their tariff rates, and we're also seeing new trade sanctions and tariffs being imposed potentially. For this week, we have a lot of macro and micro events. I hope you enjoyed this week's Global X Express Lane, and I hope to see you next week. Thank you.